Another important component, Buckloz relay. Buckloz relay is one of the types of mechanical protection of the transformer, which protects the transformer from the problems that occur within the transformer, such as boiling and oil lag. It consists of two floats insulated to certain situations. When the oil level is low or the boiling point of the oil inside the transformer, the gases reach a certain amount that works to press the first float and gives a warning. If more oil gases increase, they press on the second float, and the contact points connect with each other, which give directly to disconnect the circuit breaker. Buckloz relay contains a display screen that shows the level of the oil inside, and also sometimes contains a screen showing the places of the two floats as in the figure. Here, as you see, this is the Buckloz relay and the connection between the conservator and the main tank.